Sounds good. And will we see further pump, or we are too overbought? This what we speak about today in this video, bratans. And I told you here, as soon as we broke this orange line to the upside, I told you this will be a very big long opportunity, because I mean this was the line from since start of the October, and if you took here this trade, you made a lot of profits here, bratans. I mean, you are at least 9% profit, standing average 90%, 20 average over 180%, and a lot of you wrote also that they took profits 21k, as I told you. And right now I will speak about this important lane, how it called, this one, right? You see, because it's very important. If we break this white line, not line to sukkablatt. So if we break it to the downside, for me this is a very clear important, very clear sign for shorting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins, right? We see also on the 1 hourly we cooled a little bit down, so there's again room to the upside, but still very overbought, and 4 hourly is still heavily overbought. So I expecting a cool down, and 15-minute also overbought, but also cool down right now. However, I mean, we could see further pump to the next price target here would be obviously, wait a minute, I tell you exactly, the next price target would be here around 21,500, right? Around 21,500, and this could easily happen. However, we are very overbought. So in my opinion, I mean, you could set right now a long position to 21,500, right? This could be a long of 3%, but I would take my stop loss slightly below this white line. So all in all, if you take right now a long opportunity to 21,500, it's 3.1%, thanks 31%, 62%, but please set stop loss slightly below this white line, because if we break it, or as soon as we break this white line to the downside, let's say here at let's say 20,670, the first price tag would be here 20k, the next one would be here around 19,750, the next one would be 9,500, and the next one would be here our orange line at around 90,135. So all in all, 7.5%, thanks to 75% short opportunity, thanks to over 150% short opportunity. And don't forget, bratan, if you also want to trade on Bybit, you get $4,620 for free. You can use it for trading after a certain amount of initial deposit. If you don't have initial deposit, you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, where I told you this, by the way, yesterday in the night already, but I didn't do a video because it was too late and I had to go to sleep, bratan. So in my opinion, this is a very clear sign. Again, on the big picture, if you're watching on the daily, we had a very nice breakout, a very clear. We closed already 2 daily candles. Let me watch the volume. We closed 2 daily candles with a quite okay volume. It's not too much. I mean, I would like to see volume spike like this, but it's okay. It's very clear breakout of this descending broadening wedge, and the technical price target, like I told you, is around 26k, right? I told you already, I showed you, bratan, here. You see, Hoyak, if I put it here, you see 26k is the price tag. So we have a lot room to go to the upside. However, we could see easily here retesting this 18,900 line even, right? So be careful, because we are heavily overbought. Even the daily is overbought. So I would appreciate it if we see here a cool down in the Bitcoin market, because this would be very healthy. Everything else, if we further pumping, is two-way overheated. So very clear short opportunity, bratans. As soon as we're breaking this white line to the downside, I will start shorting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Ethereum, let us watch Ethereum quickly. Ethereum also very clear in my opinion. If we are, I have to extend this line, wait a minute, without redrawing it, so Ethereum also very clear in my opinion. If we are breaking down, if Bitcoin breaking down, we can short Ethereum 1,496, next one is 1,412, next one is 1,365, and next one is 1,321, 15%, thanks to 150, 20, 300% short opportunity. If Bitcoin further pumping, we can long Ethereum, and as I told you, wait a minute, 1,650, then the next one is 1,714, 1,775, and here around 1,800, because this This, if Bitcoin pumping, this our price targets for long, and this white line is very important for us, because if we are watching on a daily, this white line is this huge resistance line, you see, which is since November 2021, so nearly 1 year. You see, it's a huge resistance line. Obviously, I expecting here that we are if we are get retest and fail the retest and breaking down, this is a short opportunity. If we're breaking this line to the upside, then the sky's the limit. We have here a lot of potential to go to the upside. So this is on Ethereum. Ethereum you can also long, short, or buying on spot on Bybit, bratan. And let us watch S&P 500, 3,830. We closed yesterday, 3,850. We are right now in the future. So we see a pump here, and the S&P 500. Let me quickly watch S&P 500 because there's something very important. You see this purple line, still we see very clear breakout from this purple line to the upside. It's amazing. It's very clear. We broke also here this major resistance at 3,800. It's also amazing. So it looks very healthy, very nice. However, also 4 hourly overbought, heavily overbought, 1 hourly heavily overbought, although it cooled down a little bit, but still heavily overbought, and 15-minute is cooling down. So there is again room to go to the upside. However, be careful. I'm expecting here in the next days to see a cool down, because this two-way overbought. And when I'm expecting a huge volatility, a very high volatility, it's after the 8th November. After the 8th November is after the midterm election, and like I told you, if the Republicans win, I expecting here further pump in the market. If Democrats win, I expecting here a huge breakdown in the market after the 8th November. So watch out for this date, and watch out 9:30 the stock market open. So we are way overbought, so expecting here maybe a little bit more dump, which would cause also dump in the crypto market. And right after cooling down, we could see further pump, and our big price target on the Bitcoin is very clear. Our big price target is here 26K, right? Wait a minute, I go on the daily, 26K, right? This is our big price target. So make sure, if you have a long position open, a low leverage position, make sure that you not get liquidated below 18,600. This is very important, because this is the line which we could retest. We could see something like this, because we are very crazy overbought. We could see here retesting this line 18,600, and then see further pump to the upside. This is what we could see, what I expecting, because we are two-way overbought, right? However, it doesn't matter, bratan. We have only to watch right now for us day traders this white line. If we break it to downside 20,000, let's say 20,650, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Right now we could set a long with stop loss slightly below this white line, so we are on the safe side. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. You can use this bonus for trading, bratan, if you want. So in my opinion, it is very, very clear. I love here Berlin City. It's very, very nice. So write me down below, what do you think all about it, bratans? Are you in a short or in a long right now? What you do, bratan? I'm just woke up and took here my coffee and did an update video for you. And don't forget, the 3rd episode is right now online. We are talking about, we're showing you here the Dubai vlog trader lifestyle blight. What you wanted from me, I did it, and today is coming a new episode. We are watching another house on the Palm. Also, I'm watching you for, I don't know, for 1.6 million or something. It's for rent, 1.6 million blight dirham. But this episode is 2 days ago. Today we found something, and this I will also shoot. And yes, this is, you understand what I'm speaking about, yes? But if you don't understand, it's okay, bratan. I can make like how I can make, blood. You know. Короче, bratan, if you have any questions, write them down below on Telegram channel. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.